Hey guys, Strange RV Tours. This is Janet and Greg. We're trying to fix the backsplash on our RV underneath the microwave that we put in. And, you know, it just, there were mirrors and out of date and they were like cracked and everything. So here we are. Let's show you what happened. Okay? Okay. Okay, guys. This is what happened so far. Okay. We did pull off the mirrors and everything else under the new microwave. And the mirror was actually cracked all through here. Before. And we pulled that off and all that. All right. He primed everything. Scraped off the old loose wallpaper, and we are going to put the backsplash on, and it's the peel and stick stuff. And we were so excited we forgot to film, so here we are actually, and it looks pretty good actually. We were looking in several places for the stuff, and it's lightweight. Weight is important. So far, he put on two places here. Okay.
It's actually three.
Three? Oh, okay. Well, here we are. It's all primed up to here. We're going to go across to here and then to there. The mirrors were like out of date, broken. They were loose. And here we are so far. Okay? Nice. Okay. That's nice. Awesome. See? Wallpaper experience. 2 thumbs up. And see, if you're uncomfortable with metal, use plastic. There's smoothies and stuff for wallpaper. They're like plastic, but we've been in the business for a long time, so he's good. He's just good. He's really good. Can't even tell the seams. Nothing. It's lightweight. How much? We got these from Home Depot.
Home Depot.
Yeah.
It's like $125 worth.
Wow, all right. So.
Get all the air out of it.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, so far so good. Oh my gosh. So easy. Look. Awesome.
A lot lighter than the mirrors.
Yeah, the mirrors are heavy, so I can probably put some. So I can probably put some real dishes in.
Those aren't gunshots in the background. It's New Year's Eve. Those are fireworks.
Mm-hmm. One more. That looks great. Well, the product we're using is Smart Tiles that we got from Home Depot. It was like $24 and change. So $25 for a 4-pack, $7 for a single. And it's the peel and stick. And it's really pretty simple to put on. It looks great. And it's lightweight. That's the thing. In an RV, it's lightweight. And we use the Zinsser Bullseye primer, which is multi-purpose. And that's about $9 a quart. So we plan to do some remodeling in here. So far it's looking pretty good. Lining everything up. Marking where the cuts should be. It looks really good. It lines up really good. Can't. This lighter. See how he cuts that. Cool. Ta-da! See how he does this. Yep, just peel off the backing. Make sure everything, your primer's all dry. Oh yeah, turn off the AC. Yeah, tricky. You want me to hold anything? Good job. Wow. Awesome. That's cool. Oh, doesn't that look good? Awesome. So he's going to keep going with this. What are you doing right now? Squeezing it back?
Just getting it tight up against the edge where I can cut it.
Mm-hmm. So you're cutting it with a little lip, or?
No, just right. Yeah, maybe a tiny one. Hopefully it's not too big.
I guess I should go the other side so they can see how you have a little bit here. I see. Right. Just like the old days, huh, baby? Doing wallpaper at the casinos.
Yeah. Fun, fun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got this part all the way around here. That's tricky. Nice. Got it just right on the very end. And thank goodness I had a flashlight. Try to hold the flashlight. That's why I didn't film all that. Like, the lighting is not that great. See? All right. So. Yep. Go.
Okay.
Yeah. My. Some thick stuff. Not like tile, but looks like tile.
Look good?
Yeah. My. Gotta have strong hands to cut all this. Commercial wallpaper hanger, I swear. It's like the heavy-duty vinyl stuff that you have to use in casinos.
It's pretty much what it is, but
Yeah.
it's like got
The
fly
sticky
paper,
back, yeah.
fly paper on the
Yeah.
back of it.
Yeah, it's a sticky back instead of just paste.
That's the plan.
You should have been a doctor. see him with the regular Ulta. Man, he's awesome. Okay. So how many pieces did we use, actually, on this? There's 16 square foot, right?
I think we went through, yeah, we measured a total of 16 square feet we thought we would need. And we ended up using,
well, it wasn't, they were only 10 inches.
yeah, each one of these was 0.66 of a square foot. So just over half a square foot.
Mm-hmm.
And we went through 5 boxes, which was 20 pieces.
20 pieces.
And we actually, with this pattern, it did end up taking 16 square feet. I was able to use scraps and ends and stuff to where I probably got by with using 13 square feet of it.
That's because he's a wallpaper hanger. Whole family. Yeah, you can match patterns and stuff like that. So, if you know how to cut it and not waste. Yeah.
Okay, well here's our finished project. I think it turned out pretty good. I think it looks nice. Literally can't tell the difference between this and real tile if you're more than a foot away from it. So, but it turned out nice. It was actually pretty easy to do. These are the tools that I used. I used a straight edge, a level, but I used it as a straight edge. A cutting board. I used the level as a straight edge to cut the individual pieces of stickers, or whatever you want to call them, tile. Pen and pencil to mark things with. A broad knife to help push the pieces into corners, to smooth them down, and to cut around. Also used an Olfa. This is almost like a carpet cutter, but an Olfa blade to cut through the tile stickers. A sponge brush, foam brush, and this is a primer sealer made by Zinsser. Any good primer sealer that is not oil based, you should be fine using. And the tape measure to measure the walls and the individual tiles. Then also, I had a few rags because of painting. If I got anything on anything, I was able to wipe it off. So anyhow, that's basically it. Really wasn't that difficult. I have more experience in this than most people because I installed wall covering for 25 years. But other than that, no real problems. Alright, well, we hope that you enjoyed this video on smart tile installation. It turned out really nice in our RV. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you enjoy all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell up in the corners to get future notifications. So, anyhow, is there anything you'd like to add?
Share, and I don't know. This is something that we're not used to RV stuff. We're used to construction on homes. So this is new.
Yeah.
He's awesome.
I don't know about that, but anyhow, we'll see you guys later. Take it easy.